Hello everyone student. Today our lecture is 3. We will learn about the ascending order and descending order. What is ascending order? Ascending order mean to arrange numbers in increasing order, that is from smallest to largest. What is descending order? Descending order mean arranging things, numbers, quantity, length from a larger value to a lower value is known as descending order. It is also known as the decreasing order. How we will do these calculations at the Excels? Select all these entries, go into the sort and filters. Just click on this. You can see sort smallest to largest. This is known as ascending order. You can see that okay, now these entries are in ascending order from 0 to 9. Again select all these entries. If you want to write in the descending orders, then click on the sort largest to the smallest numbers. You can easily sort. Now you can see that our greatest number is 9, our largest number is 9, and smallest number is 0. Was our lecture hash 3. Thank you. Okay.